In practical terms, to achieve the goal of fasting, we have to do a complete fast. When we listen to the various advices that the Prophet ﷺ gave us, words of advice that he gave us was regarding different aspects of the fast, we can sum it up by saying that he instructed us to make a complete fast. A fast of every aspect of ourselves. A fast of the mouth, the tongue, what comes out of it, as we fast from what goes in it. A fast from the eyes, what we see and what goes into our brains. So we don't watch things, read things which are corrupt. We deliberately avoid looking at, reading, observing what is corrupt.
Love.